This time the tiny home has a waterfront loghouse concept which I use as a reference in the theme of steps for building a tiny home from woodwork to interior design from this reference according to my own version. Please enjoy watching this video. In starting the stage of preparing this frame seam, I also consider the layout of the interior, especially the cabinet, kitchen, loft bed and the toilet. In general, the shape of this tiny home is quite compact. However, I am trying to present a different interior concept than before in this episode. With an opening design in the form of doors and windows and an interior design like this, do you think this tiny home is suitable for the waterfront? Please write in the comment column below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and just look forward to our video in the next content. Thanks for watching until the end of this video, and bye bye.